Hello. The Piedmont region. The Piedmont region lies in the northwest of Italy. It is one of 20 regions in the country. It is divided into 8 provinces: Alessandria, Asti, Biella, Cuneo, Novara, Turin, Verbana, Cusio, Ossola, and Vercelli. It borders Liguria in the south, Lombardy and Emilia-Romagna regions to the east. It borders the Aosta Valley to the northwest, and it borders France to the west and Switzerland to the northeast. The capital of Piedmont is Turin. Geography. Piedmont is surrounded by the Alps on 3 sides. This includes Monviso, where the Po rises, and Monte Rosa. The geography of Piedmont is 43.3% mountainous. There are over 30% of hilly areas, and plains account for just over 26%. Piedmont is the second largest region in Italy. Sicily is the largest. It is situated in the upper part of the drainage basin of the River Po. The Po rises from Monviso in the west and is Italy's largest river. The Po collects all the water discharged from the Alps and Apennines, which surround the region on 3 sides. The animals found in this region are the ibex, ermine, stoat, chamois, weasels, hare, and golden eagles. The countryside is very varied. Rugged peaks of Monte Rosa and Gran Paradiso, rice paddies of Vercelli and Novara, gentle hills of the Langhe and Montferrat to the plains. Lowland Piedmont is a fertile agricultural region. The main agriculture grown here are cereals, including rice. Rice represents over 10% of the national production. Maize, grapes for wine, fruit and milk are also produced. Livestock production is half the final agricultural production in this region. Piedmont is one of the best wine-growing regions in Italy. Some well-known wines are Barolo, Barbaresco, Moscato d'Asti, Sparkling Asti, Barbera, Dolcetto, Freisa, and others. There are major industrial centres in the region. Types of industries in Piedmont: Fiat in Turin. Olivetti near Ivrea is now a small computer service company. Biella produces tissues and silks. The city of Asti lies east of Turin. It is one of the best-known Italian wine districts in the world and now officially a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Ferrero chocolate factory is situated in Alba, along with some mechanical industries. Famous passes and tunnels linking France to Italy: St. Bernard Pass, Colle di Tenda, Fréjus. The Colle di Tenda tunnels, Montgenèvre Pass, going to Switzerland, Fréjus, St. Bernard Pass, the Simplon Pass. Piedmont connects with Switzerland with the Simplon and Great St. Bernard passes. Tourism. There are over 75,000 people working in tourism. Both Italian and foreign tourists like to visit the region. The leading area for tourism is the Lake District, called Piedmont's Riviera. Piedmont cuisine. Piedmont has a rich and savoury cuisine. It is home to the white truffle of Alba, famous for its beef and for the slow food movement. The Alba white truffle is a subterranean fungus found around Asti and Alba. It is found in autumn and the colder winter months. It is shaved over pasta, eggs, meat, risotto, hamburgers, pizza, and other food. The most expensive white truffle weighed almost 1 kilo and sold for $330,000. There is the Alba White Truffle Fair starting in mid-October. People come from all over the world to taste and buy the Alba White Truffle. Restaurant menus are not very varied. For an antipasti, you can choose from bagna cauda, hot bath, usually eaten in winter, carne cruda, raw beef, served thinly sliced or ground and mixed with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Sometimes black or white truffle shavings are added. The pasta course. Tangerine is similar to tagliatelle, but it is a golden yellow color from the rich egg yolks. Agnolotti are very small ravioli, traditionally stuffed with beef, but nowadays you can find agnolotti stuffed with pork, rabbit, beef, or vegetables. The main course, brasato al barolo, braised veal, which is marinated overnight in nebbiolo and then braised till it is tender in herbs and vegetables. Financiera is a traditional dish which is good to eat in cold weather. The stew is made up of sweetbreads, veal spine cords, brains, bull testicles, chicken feet and coxcombs, rooster's crest. Dessert. Hazelnut cake with roasted hazelnuts. Okay, bye-bye.